Hey there, I want to show you a quick hack on how you can grow your audiences using Facebook groups. Now, they're quite popular out there. I'm not sure if you are. If you are, it's brilliant and it's a great tool to actually grow your audience. And I want to show you a quick hack so you can actually try and go with it. So the first thing I would do is probably choose five different groups. Now, those groups have to be related to what you're selling. They have to be your audiences. So you need to go find them. If you're a personal trainer, I'd probably look into health-related things. It could be nutrition groups, it could be workout groups, and then what to do then is go into each of them, spend at least 5 or 10 minutes a day, and answer questions, because mostly people ask a lot of questions in these groups. They want helpful advice, and that's where you can go in and do your magic and start asking, answering questions. And once they've answered those questions, they'll see obviously who you are, and they'll probably end up clicking on your profile, because most likely that's what they will do. And once they do, they'll land on your profile page. So this is really important. You need to have a good profile page, and make sure that you've got a nice banner and specifically clearly state what you do and who you are. This is really helpful. And what to do then is, on your profile page, you'll have an intro section. That intro, you can add a clickable link, which is great. It's a great feature to have. And that link should be linked to your Facebook group. So make sure that's there. Once they do click on that, they'll land onto your group where they can join. Brilliant. Also, what you could do is, on your profile page, is pin the most important post at the top, and it could be a link to your group, it could be information about your group. So that's really helpful. They'll click on it, they'll get in. Once they're in, obviously what you can do then is click on the blue invite button. In that invite button, which is really important, there's a little feature that says automatic updates or automatic invites. Make sure that's on, so then people who land on your Facebook business page will automatically go into the group. So this is another great way of just growing, and you can keep doing that, because there'll be loads of people on different groups looking at your answers, and they'll be more likely to go in. So this is, if you keep doing this, it will just keep growing. And you've got to be careful, because Facebook limit 50 members on groups a day. So you've got to remember not to exceed that. So try to keep that low. So what you could do then is just keep scaling, just keep getting through these questions. It's only 5 groups you need to find, and then just keep answering these questions as much as possible, because they're most likely going to be clicking on your profile. So just make sure your profile is up to scratch. It's got all the information. It doesn't have to be so busy. You don't have to put so many things, but sometimes something personal touch can really help. Main thing is you've got the link to the group, so they can click on that and get to your group. So after that, automatically it'll keep coming through. So I'm sure it's going to scale for you. So keep trying this. Hope it serves you well. And on the next video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads and how helpful they can be to scale even faster. So watch out for that, and stay tuned.